Let's go for a short train ride and see how my brother is doing it on his layout. And we have arrived at my brother's layout.
Hoot, 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 hoot.
That was a long train ride.
Wow.
All the way over here.
Nice.
So we made it to his layout. Really cool. He's got a number of things going on that we're going to take a look at real quick.
Yeah.
One of them is a double knee emplacement this year, along with double P pneumonia and the flu, all in one winter.
All in one.
What do you do with that?
Nothing more. I'll tell you.
How you feeling?
Feeling better. I think yesterday was the first day I felt I might live.
Yeah, I know that feeling.
Huh.
But you're down here in the shop again. You're going to get back into your sets, and you got a lot of ideas for what you're doing. What are you going to do with this one?
Well, we put a new furnace in right over your head. The other one blew up almost. And so because of that, there's all kinds of soot all over the track. The only usable piece of track is where your trains are that goes back into the tunnel. This is all just dirty, filthy, and it's probably not good for the locos to run over them. So I'll be cleaning that up and getting this all working again for a future event.
A future event? Can you tell us, or do you want to wait?
Well, those of you that follow my channel know I have another layout over there as well as this one, and I'm probably going to connect those two together.
Let's take a quick look at that. I mean, you got this one, and then you have a layout over there.
Yeah.
Are you going to move them together or right where they are?
This one is stationary. It's mounted right to the wall, but I'm going to run a double track over, put in some turnouts to connect that, and because of that, this is all, it's DC. It's not DCC, and I've got to have a transformer. Is that what you call a rheostat or whatever, the power pack?
Yeah.
Is not near enough. So I have.
Oh yeah.
I got some superpower.
Oh.
I have it already. Can't wait.
Well, I was going to ask you about that. So you're going to build a bridge across here, basically.
Yes.
That will be able to. You'll be able to open it up.
No.
Oh, it's going to be permanent?
Yeah, probably. It should be something that's movable.
How will you power both units in that case?
I'll have power. The big power pack that I have will be right here, so it splits sending power both ways. Because just in this track, I think there's 50 or 60 feet, and there's at least that much over there. So
how many drops do you have on that track right there?
I have just one.
Just one, and
for
it
power.
Powers it all okay?
Yep, pretty much.
Wow.
If the track's clean.
Yeah.
Because of the furnace, the place is a disaster. It's just all messed up.
Yeah. Well, you haven't been down here for a while either.
No, I haven't.
You've got something else exciting going on over here. Can you tell us about that too? Your tram?
My tram gondola. Yeah. That's a work in progress. This is the gondola. There'll be 8 of those. And I've gone through a ton of experiments getting that figured out how it's going to work. But it'll basically be up there to a chalet. It'll come down to a base down here. This is all coming out because it didn't work, and I'm doing something completely different.
Now you made these with a 3D printer, is that right?
Yep.
You made that with a 3D printer. That's pretty detailed.
Yeah,
cool.
It is. It's pretty good.
Did you paint that?
Yep. That's only the first coat. I painted the yellow because I want the interior yellow. Then I'm going to paint the outside.
Well, that should be pretty interesting.
Yeah.
All right, cool. You got your village getting ready to go together here.
Yeah. There's a whole bunch of things. Can you see me? Can you see me over there?
I think they can.
A whole bunch of things that are going to happen. There's a product out there called MagnoRail, which is, it moves cars around on a track. by magnet, and so I'll be putting in roadways so that the cars will be able to move.
Now, see, he's got all that cool stuff going on.
Oh, yeah.
That's really neat stuff.
Yeah.
Huh.
That's probably 2 years down the road.
All right, well, it's time to head back over to my layout. It was a nice day. We'll jump the train and head on back. Taking the train back to my little town. I hope you all enjoyed the little trip. It's interesting to see what you find along the way when you ride the rails. Join with me some more. I hope to look at some other railroads in our area and see if I can hunt them down, take a look at them. I think you'll find them interesting. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and join me next time.